Say happy birthday. You look nice, big boy. What's up, Cuzzle? 305 in the house. Too money. Y'all, it's gonna be my birthday tonight too. Should I do that or should I just let my brother have his moment? He boring. I'm having my moment. Shoot, I'm gonna have for my birthday song tonight. We gonna sing. I think I'm gonna do peanut butter jelly. That's it. The move. Alright, Beach Patch. So we are walking back. Y'all know this is my kids out, but my brother them never been here before. This place is really small. I don't think my family understood. So you sitting there on the end? I'm sitting right here. Well,
I can take my mask off?
yeah. So listen, my cousin was gambling. They finally walking in. All extra late. Hey, Nay. My hair wet, sorry, girl. You don't gotta get that, but I was telling my brother, hey, no money.
I wonder how they posted.
I was telling, to me it wasn't that good. I was telling my brother about this dessert right here. It's $99. It's the world famous Sugar Factory King Kong Sundae. It feeds 12 people.
I'm not finna eat no ice cream with no 12. I don't know where they got them up in that. That is nasty.
I already know what I'm getting. I'm getting for my birthday.
Not a popcorn shrimp sandwich.
I haven't had those, Mom.
$17. What the fuck come with it?
It says popcorn shrimp and marinara sauce. Mama, y'all know y'all got comp dollars.
I ain't got no more fun.
He in his feelings because he was told that you pick a song in a dessert and he thought he was going to get that free because it's his birthday. But no, you have to actually pick a dessert and pay for it. And the song is free. Woo! Hot behind the camera. I don't like people recording me. People will take the most busted photos of you. Wow. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm 24.
Well, my name's Caitlin. I'll be taking care of y'all today. I got water started for everybody. Just so you know, with the celebration process here, if you just order a dessert, we'll come out singing and dancing to a song of your choice, okay?
They can keep that dessert in their dance.
They've never been before.
Why are you looking like that?
I wish JJ was here. She looking at them prices with a whole attitude. This like going to what is called Red Lobster. It's not that pricey. You don't have to get nothing. Just get a milkshake, Mom.
I don't want no milkshake.
Well, just don't get nothing and watch it. Which one of the big ballers paying for the food?
You were supposed to pay for my trip to Vegas.
Listen. See, what happened was my YouTube money went to looking kind of funny. So I ain't got it like that. I ain't gonna have it like that until next year. Who treating Elwood? It depends on how much your stuff is.
I want to order me a what's the name? I want me a Long Island iced tea.
A Long Island, you want
What is
the
it?
hypnotic one up here?
Hypnotic.
Hypnotic Long Island. So
What come with brown liquor?
it comes with hypnotic, tequila, peach schnapps, vodka.
You don't got none of them come with Hennessy in it?
No.
I'll try the
It's
hypnotic.
really good. So it's about 12 ounces of alcohol.
How much that cost?
$36.
Oh yeah, brother.
But it's comparable to like 4 drinks. So if you order two Hennessy's, it's already the same price as that.
Who's gonna pay for that?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
I love it. Okay.
I'm not paying for that.
Hypnotic Long Island birthday boy.
I'ma cash app you $36. How about that?
We can pay for the drink. I'll pay for food.
I'ma cash app you the money. You pay for all your stuff with one
You
check.
know what you like here?
Oh, I'm ready to order my
I'm ready.
food.
Go ahead.
For me, I want to get the bacon cheeseburger milkshake.
Okay.
That's what I'm getting. And it's my birthday too.
Oh.
And for my birthday song, can you sing our song separate?
Yes.
He always been trying to steal my shine.
Are you
For
guys
my
gonna do different songs?
yeah, we're gonna do
Okay.
different songs. For my song, I'm gonna sing we'll do what is the peanut butter jelly time?
Peanut butter jelly?
Who is Yum Yum? They the original people who sang peanut butter jelly. I ain't.
Probably.
So I'm gonna do peanut butter and jelly, but I don't want our songs sung together.
Okay, so I'll wait until after dinner for his, and you get yours first.
Or you want yours first?
Alright, what dessert are you gonna have?
I'm not paying for no dessert.
Okay.
I'll buy you a dessert. What you want?
I want $100.
Boy, I'm not buying that.
Are you guys brother and sister?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
That's my little brother.
Aw.
You want a bacon cheeseburger milkshake?
Yeah, I did. That's my dessert.
You can have that on my check.
You got it, girlfriend.
But I ain't cash up you them $36.
You said that.
What do you want for your song, sir?
Rockstar.
Rockstar?
My sister bought him shoes and an outfit. I ain't got it like that. I got 5 kids. I got 5 kids. I ain't got no job. How about that? You can find me in the club, bottle full of This is the reason I don't come out with my family. Look at all this boredom. Boredom.
What you want us to do?
Dance!
Dance, nigga, dance.
Alright, Peach Pack. So my brother Glass just came. Mama, wait till they fall. What you calling? Oh. This is Long Island.
No, I'm not drinking.
She ain't want to pay $36 for it anyway. Let me see. Tiff, what you ordered? Tiff drank before they pour the drink.
Something with a gummy. No.
They sell them in the Dollar Tree for $1. They ain't pour the drink yet. I never got a drink from here because I don't drink alcohol. All of this is natural. Natural. No drugs, no alcohol. Why? You think I act crazy? All right, Peach Pack. She is about to pour the drink.
Oh yeah, ready? 1, 2, ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right, I got a hypnotic Long Island for the birthday boy over here.
Woo!
I ain't gonna do all that.
Look, he excited. Oh, big boy. This lady always trying to go live on Facebook. She be having 3 people watching her. All right, time for name, money, drink.
Wait. All right, girl, don't fight.
She got a TikTok, or you on fake Instagram. You ready? Oh, Lord.
Wait.
We gotta tighten up.
You should have already been ready, Nene. Your drink not gonna smoke.
1, 2, 3.
What's that? That shit on fire. And it's red. What's that?
It's sizzling.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Strawberry. Yes, strawberry.
How it taste, Ella? What it taste like? So now my mom's gonna try. I thought you weren't drinking, ma'am.
That's right.
What it taste like? Oh dang, I missed you. Dang, yours got the most smoke, sis.
Yeah, that was smoke than I was.
Trash, this is real candy. That's what I had in. It's the lemon candy.
Waiting on him to come so he can get the
Alright, so the food has come. My sister got steak and fries. She's done. Cam Bam got the famous ducky sliders. He gets to keep the duck. It's just like little cheeseburgers. Blue, red, yellow, and green. You excited about that? Who Money got chicken wings and french fries. And my father,
Show on this.
Show him what? What you got? What you want? What that mean? How much money we won?
2,500.
And then my father got a cheeseburger and fries. Everybody be wanting to flex their money, but then they don't want to give me none. How y'all want to flex the money but not give me none? That's crazy. I thought it was my birthday. Thank you.
We got another birthday over here.
You gonna dance, Drew? Go ahead. My brother paying for my food. He gave me the money for my food and his ice cream because I got an attitude with him. Sometimes you just gotta catch attitudes of people. And now I'm finna go downstairs and the money he gave me, I'm finna gamble.
Just sit on the back, enjoy my little company. But I go to the house.
You got something in your beard.
Peaches, I get some. Hey, what moving that way? Not somebody just be sitting at the door. I think she done gone to her room. All I hear, oh, you still drinking?
Yes, I did.
You still drinking? Man, one way I mean, a lot of people, she clean everything. She wash dishes they need to be washed. She washed the dishes was under the sink.
Why?
I was cleaning my house.
Hit her like you like, hit her like you like, for your girl. You like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go. Like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like, I like. Hit her like it like. Hit her like. For your girl, take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like. Africa, go like. Worldwide, go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking back.